today we are at the Louisiana Key Academy. We're here for a chemistry day. We're going to be doing different activities that involve chemistry. We're going to be making a chemical battery clock. We're going to do pH testing, and we're also going to do paper chromatography. In addition to that, students are going to be making nylon. Our little students, our K-12 students, are going to be making a chemical clock as well, but theirs will be powered by lemons. They're also going to make a balloon blow up. They're going to be doing fun chemistry activities as well. That's going to help them explore more things about science and STEM.
Your battery in your clock, you get to take it home. That's called capitalism. If you make it, you own it. So you take your battery home.
When I mix them together, it does what?
So we mixed the chloride with the hexadiene, and then we got a hook shape with that paper clip, and we started to slowly pull, or not cotton, the nylon from out of the cup.
So we're competing worldwide with other countries, and we are competing on science and technology, engineering, mathematics. Who can come up with the best AI model? Who can come up with the best medicines? The United States is in the lead, but other countries are coming after us. These children learning science today, they are our secret weapon. They are the ones who will help us maintain our lead, our leadership, and our prosperity. So that's what it means to our state and our nation. For the kids, this is a pathway to a better future, to a future which is as a doctor, as an engineer, that they can find more rewarding, that again changes their life and everyone they're in touch with.
I made it by clipping the wire onto the copper, and
they show it.
the current flows throughout the clock, and it makes the clock work.
High five.